Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the dual XP600 print heads DTF printer with shaker and purifier. This incredible machine is set to revolutionize the way we think about printing, offering lightning-fast speeds, stunning resolution, and effortless operation. As we dive into the details, you'll see why this printer is a game-changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints quickly and efficiently. First, let's talk about the dual XP600 print heads, which are the heart of this printer. Equipped with these advanced print heads, the DTF transfer printer can complete an A3-sized print in just 2.5 minutes, which is incredibly fast. But that's not all. It can also produce up to 24 high-quality prints per hour, making it perfect for busy shops and tight deadlines. Imagine being able to churn out print after print without having to worry about the quality suffering. This is a huge benefit for businesses that need to produce a high volume of prints, and it's also great for individuals who want to create their own custom designs. Another key feature of this printer is its stunning 2880 by 1440 Ultra HD resolution. This means that every print is crystal clear, with vibrant colors and sharp details that are sure to impress. Whether you're printing on cotton, polyester, or any other fabric, the results are going to be professional quality every time. This is especially important for businesses that want to create a strong brand identity, as high-quality prints can make all the difference in terms of professionalism and credibility. And with the ability to print on a wide range of fabrics, the possibilities are endless. From custom t-shirts to personalized shoes, the options are vast. But what really sets this printer apart is its smart ink system. The automatic ink suction and waste ink reset functions ensure uninterrupted printing, which means you can focus on creating without having to worry about the technical side of things. The white ink circulation and stirring systems also reduce print head clogs and deliver consistent, vibrant colors, which is a huge benefit for anyone who wants to produce high-quality prints. And with the newly upgraded software, which is virus-free and designed for seamless operation, you can trust that your printer is going to work smoothly and securely. This software is compatible only with Windows systems, so you can be sure that you're getting a secure and reliable printing experience. As we explore the package that comes with this printer, it's clear that the manufacturer has thought of everything. The comprehensive package includes an A3 DTF printer, oven, bracket, powder shaker and dryer, DTF film roll, inks, DTF powder, smoke purifier, t-shirts, cleaning accessories, and detailed operation videos. This means that you can get started right away without having to worry about sourcing additional equipment or supplies. And with the ability to print on a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, leather, jeans, shoes, and more, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to start your own DTF business or simply want to create custom designs for yourself, this printer has everything you need to get started. In conclusion, the dual XP600 print heads DTF printer with shaker and purifier is an incredible machine that offers lightning-fast speeds, stunning resolution, and effortless operation. With its advanced print heads, smart ink system, and comprehensive package, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints quickly and efficiently. So if you're ready to take your printing to the next level, be sure to check out this amazing machine. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get ready to experience